MCAS number 5 Academy online. This is for question 6. For question 6, we really have to pay attention to the words of the prompt. So it says, what percent of her pay did Michelle spend on groceries? So then after that it says if her grocery bill is $119.58, so that's going to stand for groceries, and her take-home pay was $600, so that's going to stand for pay. So when I read what percent of her pay did Michelle spend on groceries, I can really see the equation start to build. So what percent, I'm going to say X percent of means multiply her pay, which is 600, equals is groceries, 119.58. So the verbal prompt really helps you in this case to build the equation. So again, if I change X percent, percent means out of 100, so I'm just going to change it into a fraction. X percent is X per 100 times 600, and I'm going to make it a fraction to 1, is equal to 119.58. I'm going to focus on the left side of the equation just to be able to simplify this. So I have 600x divided by 100 is how we multiply fractions, remember, straight across, is equal to 119.58. But now, if I look at the left side of the equation and I look at this fraction, I can simplify this fraction. I can divide by 100, which will cancel those zeros out, and I'm left with 6x. And I'm going to start up here on the corner. 6x is equal to 119.58. Which makes the process a little simpler by making the numbers smaller to deal with. So I'm going to divide by 6, and whatever I get for x now is going to be my answer. Since I put it as a percent, the answer is already going to be in percent form. I don't need to move that decimal point. So long division is going to get me there. So 6 on the outside, 119.58 on the inside, and I can put my decimal point right above. So 6 goes into 11 once. And then I have 59 left over, and 6 goes into 59 9 times, and I get 54, and the difference there is 55. Keep going. So this is going to be 9. We continue our process of long division until it repeats or until it terminates. So then it's going to terminate right here because 6 does go into 18 evenly, and I get that final answer of 3 in there. So if I look back at my final answer, x is equal to 19.93, but I need it in sentence form. So I'm going to erase this for a second and give you the answer. So hopefully you can see it. It's right down there. Michelle spent 19.93% of her pay on groceries.